Hi guys. I'm starting a new video for you. I'm requesting to all, don't throw any damaged or rejected things. It's ruining the environment. So I try to make videos about what to do with them. I hope to see the full video. Stay with me by subscribing, liking, and commenting. I'll first make a device to fix broken LED bulbs. I've used a 24-volt water pump motor here. I made this by attaching a clip. Wow, the device is ready. A multiple voltage supply device will be used for this. I took the BK1502D machine, that's used for treating mobile service. Many damaged LED bulbs here. Now I'll try to fix this damaged LED bulb. First, I opened the optics diffuser of the LED bulb. Touch the negative and positive sides of the volt probe to the SMD LED. This LEDs don't light with 3.7 volts. So, I've increased some voltage. I increased the voltage again. The LED lights up now. I'm checking with low voltage 8.4. The LEDs light up using 8.4 volts, but not enough illuminated. Faulty LED isn't illuminated. That means they are 9-volt LEDs. Different bulbs have different LEDs that operate at different voltages. I'll make a simple device to check the LEDs voltage later. I found this is a 9 volts LED. After changing the damaged or faulty LEDs, it will light up. Thus, each LEDs must be tested using a starting voltage of 3.7. And then continuously increasing the voltage up if needed. If check uses excess voltage, then the LEDs will be damaged. I'm sure this is a 6-volt LED. I'm sure this is a 6-volt LED. You have to mark the problematic or faulty LEDs with a marker. I marked it using a black marker pen. I'm sure this is a 6-volt LED. You have to mark the problematic or faulty LEDs with a marker. I marked it using a black marker pen. Disconnect the negative and positive connections from the LED module. The color of the wire is not visible. Positive and negative marks should be given on the wire if necessary. It will be easier to fix later. If working with several bulbs together, mark a sign. Guys, what are you seeing now? This is a heating station. I have made 3 types of videos on my channel to learn how to make them. Check if necessary. I applied soldering paste to the plate to understand the amount of heat. Place the LED module on the hot plate. Disconnect the power supply when the LED module is easily moved or separated from the LED module. Once the heat goes down again, you have to connect the electricity again. Remember, overheating will burn the LEDs. Throw away the bad LEDs. All the good LEDs on this board will be replaced with other defective boards. In replacing the LED, it must be confirmed that the negative and positive pole selection is correct. Otherwise, the bulb will not light up. One pole is short and another is big. The negative and positive poles correspond to the PCB layout of the LEDs module. Replace the correct volt LEDs in the specified module. However, all types of SMD LEDs are available in electronics shops now. Then, connect all negative and positive wires to LED board. It must be confirmed that the negative and positive pole selections are correct. Also, if you have a bad driver module, the LED will not light up even after repairing the LEDs module. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment if necessary. Good luck.